So let's discuss a problem from CSIR Net General Aptitude section. So here is it. So this is from General Aptitude section. So if PQRS is a rectangle inscribed in a quarter circle, so as shown. So this is PQRS. So you can clearly see this. So PQRS. So this is a rectangle. And what they said that a rectangle is inscribed in a quarter circle. So this is a quarter circle. So if this was the case, if this was a complete one, that would be complete circle, and this would be a semicircle, half of that circle, and 1/4 of that circle is nothing but quarter circle. So the area of the shaded region is 24 centimeter square. So here they have given in this figure. So this is the shaded region, not this entire one, this not this entire rectangle, but only this. So that is nothing but half of this rectangle. So a diagonal divides the rectangle into two equal halves. So this is nothing but diagonal of this rectangle. So this is the shaded region. So the area of this region is 24 centimeter square and PQ is 6 centimeter. That is this breadth of this triangle is 6 centimeter. The area of the quarter circle is. So from these given things, we need to find the area of this quarter circle. So this is the quarter circle. We need to find the area of this. What could be the area of this entire circle? This half of this circle. So that is the thing we needed to find out from this diagram, from this. So as we already know, area of a circle is nothing but pi r square. So that is the area of the circle. But area of quarter circle is 1/4 of that. Quarter means 1/4. So 1/4 of pi r square. Pi r square divided by 4. So it is enough. So actually enough if we find radius. So this is the formula for area of quarter circle. So in the formula, if we observe pi 4 are constants, only order. That is radius decides the area of the quarter circle. So now we need to find out the radius from this diagram. So how to find that radius is if we clearly observe this diagram. So here I will show it. So from center to edge, this is nothing but any point on the circle. Center of the circle to any point on the circle. That is nothing but radius. So this is the radius of the circle. And we don't know the radius here because it is more than length. From the diagram, if we see, the radius is more than length. And here on this side, if we see, this is also a radius. AR is also a radius, just like so this is AR only. So AR is also the radius of the circle, and it is greater than breadth, but it is not equal to breadth, and here it is not equal to length. So it is more than length as well as breadth of the triangle. So that is the one thing we can get from this. And if I draw from here to this point, that is also a radius from this point to here. In the same manner, this point, this one of the vertices of the rectangle is lying on the arc of the circle. So if I draw from center to here, so that is also a diagonal. That is also a radius of this circle. And that thing is nothing but diagonal of this rectangle. So here you can see in this diagram. So from this point to this side and this point to here. So this is nothing but diagonal of the rectangle. Diagonal of this rectangle. The diagonal of this rectangle is nothing but the radius of the circle. That's why they have given us rectangle inscribed. Because of that inscribing only, we are having the diagonal of this rectangle has the radius of this circle. So once if we know radius, we can substitute in this formula and find out the area of this quarter circle. So this is the radius, that is nothing but equal to diagonal of this rectangle. So here I have given it clearly. So this is the rectangle inscribed PQRS. So this is that. So half of this rectangle is shaded. So here this is a diagonal. In the same manner, this is also a diagonal. This radius is nothing but diagonal. So now we need to find, what we needed to find out is diagonal length of this diagonal. We need to find the length of this diagonal, and if we find the length of this diagonal, uh, how we can find the length of this diagonal is if we could find the length of this diagonal, because in a rectangle both the diagonals are equal, or else you can say yeah, opposite sides are equal in a rectangle. So this length is equal, PS is equals to QR, and SR is equals to PQ. No. So like that. So from that symmetry property of the rectangle. So now how to find out the diagonal length? So in the question they have already given area of so actually area of rectangle PQRS is equals to 2 into area of the shaded region. So this is the shaded region. So it is nothing but, as I have said, diagonal divides the rectangle into two equal halves. So this is one half, this is another half. So area of the triangle is nothing but 2 into area of the shaded region. So this twice of this shaded region is nothing but the area of this entire rectangle. So that is the thing. And area of rectangle PQRS is nothing but length into breadth, as we already know. So here length is nothing but PS and breadth is PQ. So PQ into PS, and 2 into area of the shaded region is 24 centimeter square. So 24, 2 into 24. So PQ they have already given us 6 centimeter. So just write 6. So if this 6 here it is multiplying, so on going to that side it would get divided. So 6 4s are 24. 6 4s are 24, that is nothing but 4 2s are 8, that is nothing but 8 centimeter. So PS is nothing but 8 centimeter. PS is 8 centimeter. So if we know PS and PQ, PQ has already been given in the question. Now we know PS, that is length of the this rectangle. So if you clearly observe, this is a right angled triangle. Right angled triangle, but not isosceles. So if it is isosceles, both this PQ and PS would have been the same. So from the Pythagoras we can use Pythagoras theorem for this right angle triangle. So from the Pythagoras theorem we have PS square plus SR square is also PR square. So PS square plus SR square, this is SR square. Sorry, so actually PS it has to be like PS square plus PQ square is equals to QS square. So actually we are taking directly this diagonal. So this diagonal, if we take diagonal of this, so this is the thing we needed here also. So this is nothing but radius. This is not a radius. Of course this is the diagonal of the rectangle, but this is the main diagonal. But anyhow, whether we find out this one or this one, both are the same because of the symmetry. So now if we see PS square, so this is the right angle triangle, PS square plus RS square is also PR square. So that is the thing, and we know that PS square is equals to 8 square. Now 8 square, that means now only we have found out. So this is the 8, and SR is nothing but 6, because SR is equals to PQ, because PQ is parallel to SR. So 6 square, that is equal to PR square, we don't know. So 8 square is nothing but 64, and 6 square is 36. 64 plus 36, 100, and square root of 100 is nothing but 10 centimeter. Hence the length of the diagonal is 10 centimeter, and that is nothing but radius. Diagonal is nothing but equal to radius. So the radius of the circle is 10 centimeter. So the area of the quarter circle is, that is nothing but pi r square by 4, and r is nothing but 10. So 10 square by 4, 10 square 100, 100 by 4 is 25. So 25 into pi. So this is the area of the, finally this is the area of this quarter circle which we needed to find out. So that is the problem. So thank you.